Dry, windy conditions, hot temperatures, it all added up to an awful condition for fire crews through the day.
Tonight, dozens of firefighters are catching their breath, but as Matthew Smith reports, they are ready for another fight at any moment.
I've never seen anything like this.
We don't know those trees could fall over. It's amazing that they haven't.
A disaster brings this family together. Some 5 to 10 acres burned in Honey Creek on their property. It hit some harder than others.
It's a bad time that it had to happen today.
A bad day for them, perhaps even worse for these Crescent firefighters. They've responded to a lot of grass fires lately.
This week, probably close to 10. It's been dry and everybody's been wanting to burn all their stuff.
That burning is what caused all of this. But this one in Sarpy County has left fewer clues. It stretched more than 1 mile along I-80 near Gretna. Crews spent hours battling the fire, but even afterwards, there's hours of work to be done.
Dragging hose, walking up and down hills, smoking fire, it all sucks.
Still, James Embert says,
Oh, I love doing it.
It's command, go ahead.
Where do you want us to go?
Gretna's fire chief says it's volunteerism at its finest.
What do I tell them? I tell them thank you.
Because whether it's here in Sarpy County, where they're already waiting for the next one,
It's hard to catch up with it.
or back in Honey Creek, Iowa, one thing's clear, none of this is easy. Which is why this family is saying thanks.
You gotta give them credit. Take time out from their day and don't get paid for it, and here they come.
You just saw 2 volunteer fire departments that had their work cut out for them today. They're just a fraction of the fire departments who've been working in large part because the wind that you hear right now. We're actually live outside the Omaha Fire Department. They too have had their fair share of battles in the past 3 days. 3 days that have been very, very bad and dangerous for a lot of our viewers. Reporting live in downtown Omaha with photographer Roger Hamer, I'm Matthew Smith, WOWT 6 News.
And many local departments have not issued burn permits over the past few days because of this dry weather.
If you see a brush fire, don't hesitate to call 911. We have seen how quickly they can spread.